If you're experiencing audio desync issues on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings are correctly configured. Go to the Steam Deck settings, navigate to the audio section, and verify that the output device is set to the correct option. Adjust the volume levels and make sure that any enhancements are disabled. Step 2. Restart the device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Power off your Steam Deck completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can help reset any audio issues that may have arisen. Step 3. Update software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to the system settings, check for updates, and install any available updates. This can resolve bugs that may be causing audio desync. Step 4. Adjust game settings. In some cases, the issue may be related to specific games. Access the in-game audio settings and look for options related to audio latency or sync. Adjust these settings to see if it resolves the desync issue. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If none of the previous steps work, consider resetting your Steam Deck to factory settings. Back up your data first, then navigate to System Settings and select the option to reset. This will restore the device to its original state and may fix persistent audio problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues on your Steam Deck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.